How to put RSI on your MetaTrader account here on your PC without having any problem or any issue. So I will take a reference for a new website here to Relative Strength Index Technical Orator, a price following oscillator that ranges between 0 to 100 when wider introduced the Relative Strength Index. So how you can simply do that or get known about this, there are some of the points that how you can do it or how they can use to analyze anything. Tops and bottoms. The pelvic strength index usually loops above 70 and bottom below 30. It usually forms use tops and bottoms before the underlying pre-chart. Chart transformers. Now, the chart formation, the RSI often forms chart patterns such as head and shoulders or triangles that may be or may not be visible on the price chart. Failure, swing, support or resistance breakout. This is where the relative strength index surpasses a previous high peak. Support and resistance levels. You can also look on that. And divergence. As discussed above, divergence occur when the price maker's review or high is not confirmed by a new high. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.